Hey guys, today we're doing an unboxing of a very special new Samsung product. So to start off with, I'm just going to show you these. What do I have here? It is the Galaxy Buds3 Pro. I have been using these for about 2 years. It'll be 2 years in August, I believe. And they have been great for me since I got them. And after I saw the Galaxy Buds3 Pro, my first impression was, they look like AirPods. But then I saw people say the microphone is better, the sound quality is better, the case is better. So you know what? I caved in. And here we have the Galaxy Buds3 Pro. And hopefully I like these as much as I like the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, especially in terms of sound quality, because in my opinion, these sound pretty great. So hopefully these sound even better, especially considering the fact that the design is very, very different. With the stem, and it's a different case design. Like, we've had this case design since the Galaxy Buds Live, which got released in 2020. So to change the case design after a couple of years means that it's got to be like way better than these, you know. But without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. So here we have Samsung, the two buds, the name of the product. On the side, Galaxy Buds3 Pro. The top, we just have this thing. Here we have nothing. And on the bottom we have the serial number and all that stuff, which I don't want to show. And back here we just have some information, just recyclable packaging, so you can toss it out. And we have, of course, the pull tabs, which are totally not stolen from Apple. And we are going to open it and see how good these Galaxy Buds 3 Pro actually are, or as I like to call them, AirPods Pro, but you know, we're going to pretend they're not. All right, okay, I cut the box open. So here is the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Oh my God, okay. Wow, I was not, my first impressions, oh God, okay. All right, so now that I had a minute to collect myself, here's the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. And my first impression is, wow, it's very radically different from this. And the glossy plastic, it feels cheap, if I'm being honest. The color, in my opinion, the color looks great. Like this one, the old buds were matte white, and this is glossy white. Oh, this hinge is great though. It's very satisfying. And I saw someone on YouTube try this already. Apparently, oh yeah, the magnets are really strong. On this, the magnets are, yeah, you can see one flew over. You can see one got out. So the magnets are stronger, so that's nice. In terms of pocketability, let's see. Well, obviously this one's taller, yada yada, but in terms of actual height when in your pockets, it's gonna be very hard to demonstrate. But you can see the Buds 2 Pro case is taller. So this will actually fit in your pocket better. And you can see, just like AirPods, it has the reset button here and the USB-C port. And how about the buds themselves? Well, they have these two indicators we all know about at this point. All right, the buds themselves, they feel all right. Very glossy finish, as you can see. There's a bit of a grip here on the side. I'm assuming this is where you swipe to get to your music controls and stuff like that. And they're pretty lightweight. And how do they fit in the ear? I guess I'll find out. All right, the in-ear fit is pretty good. It'll take a little bit of getting used to. A lot of people I know with the Buds 2 Pro, right, they complained that the coils here, the charging coils, cause an allergy for lots and lots of people. Luckily, with this new design, that won't happen, because as you can see, the charging coils are just at the bottom. There's nothing here for that. And some people may prefer this new stem design because it means a better microphone, blah, blah, blah. Hopefully they sound good. Yeah. Oh, and I did get a bonus gift with this, which I was really curious about because I have the white buds, right? So I have you can see here, the clip case with the Carabiner, but it looks like it's meant for the silver buds. So we're gonna open this up and see how it looks with the white buds. All right, I got a little bit lazy with the tape. Normally I'll cut the tape, but I didn't feel like it. All right, we are opening this up and we've got the case, which is Looks all right. Not entirely sure about the color. How the heck do I'm failing at this so badly right now. It should, there we go. Okay. And a Carabiner, which I probably won't really bother using. And we're gonna, okay, so it looks like there's something here on the inside we need to remove before we put this in. Oh, okay, that was nothing. All right, we'll put this in. And I'm really kind of struggling here. Oh, we got the LED there. That's nice. There we go. All right, that actually doesn't look too bad. And just to complete the look, we're gonna put the buds in and there we go. Orange goes with orange, of course. And how the heck did they go? Oh. Anytime you have to do something through a camera screen, you look like an idiot. But yeah, that's the look with the white buds. And it is a nice look. It's like a dual color. It's like black and white. And you open this up. It's a little hard to open, but hey, it's not gonna open unless you really push it down. So if you're someone who's like used to opening the case easily, this will prevent that. And of course you can hook something on your belt here. It is pretty heavy duty, and of course you can still charge it. The only thing is you cannot reset it until you remove it from this case. And as far as removing it from this case, good luck. But yeah, that is the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, and we will see how they fare up over time. Hopefully they surpass these in every way imaginable, because these are amazing, but hey, we'll see. And that is all. Yep. So yeah, again, here's what it looks like. White buds with that black case, which people are getting for free. This is what it kind of looks like. It's a look. Some people may hate this and may say, just get the silver ones. This looks silly with the white. I think it's kind of unique, although the transparent top does look a little bit cheap. Yeah, and that is about it. It's a very interesting design that Samsung went with. The hinge looks exactly like the AirPods. Okay, that is all for the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. I'm very excited to test these out.